Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing devices of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's see if this flip phone has what it takes to stand out in today's competitive smartphone market. Starting with the design, Samsung sticks to its winning formula with a compact, pocketable form factor that feels solid thanks to its armor aluminum frame. The new dual-rail hinge design offers a smoother closing action and reduces the crease in the middle, which is now barely noticeable. However, I found the flat edges make it a bit tricky to open single-handedly at times. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes in a range of eye-catching colors, including silver shadow, yellow, blue, mint, and some exclusive options like crafted black and peach. Now, let's talk displays. Inside, you have a vibrant 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, making for smooth scrolling and gameplay. Outdoors, it manages a peak brightness of 1942 nits, making it one of the brightest displays out there. The outer flex window display, though functional, remains at 3.4 inches with a 60Hz refresh rate, which might feel small compared to some competitors. Shifting gears to cameras, the Z Flip 6 impresses with a 50 megapixels main shooter and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Low-light performance is surprisingly good, thanks to Samsung's enhancements in software processing. The 10 megapixels front camera delivers decent selfies, but nothing groundbreaking compared to other flagships. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip coupled with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring snappy performance across daily tasks and gaming. The 4000 mAh battery provides adequate juice for a full day, but it's not class-leading. Charging speeds are decent with 25W wired and 10 to 15W wireless options. Software-wise, Samsung brings in its Galaxy AI features, adding a layer of personalization and efficiency to the user experience. The Flex suitcases integrate seamlessly with the Flex window, offering interactive lock screens and LED notifications, which are neat additions. Wrapping up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 refines its predecessor with better cameras, performance upgrades, and thoughtful design tweaks. However, with a higher price tag, it faces tough competition, especially from other flagship phones and even from within Samsung's own lineup. If you're intrigued by the unique form factor and don't mind the premium price, the Z Flip 6 delivers a compelling experience. That's it for today's review on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.